Alright, so the next time I come fishing here, I plan on starting after I cross over this bridge. What's up guys, Chris here. So today I'm continuing the exploration of this creek. Like I said I wanted to. I don't know exactly what I'm going to be throwing yet. I'm probably just going to be using a variety of baits. But I'm going to go ahead, walk over to where I left off and get started. Alright guys, so between yesterday evening and today we actually got a little bit of rain. It's not enough to raise the water of this creek drastically, but the water is definitely stained brown now. I don't normally have luck fishing creeks after rain, but for some reason I thought it'd be a good idea to come out and try today. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, cast number 1, just got this little black grub tied on. Oh, I think I might have got hit as soon as it hit the water. So it's pretty overcast right now. It said we got a 50% chance of rain starting from now until 10 o'clock. At 10 o'clock tonight it's supposed to start raining. Hopefully that stays true and I don't get rained out. That would definitely not be good. Oh, I got hit. Oh. There we go, fish on. Oh. Alright. Alright, so this is my new personal best bass out this little pond. I mean creek. Look at this guys. This is my personal best bass out this little creek. I was just talking about how I don't normally catch fish after it rains in a creek, but got lucky today. Nice size little largemouth. Or it might be a spotted bass. If anybody knows, just let me know down in the comments so I can keep learning. Let's let this guy go. Alright guys, so fish number 1 did not take long. I've actually just been fishing for probably like 3.5 minutes at that point. So hopefully the luck continues. Oh, something was hitting. Oh. Oh. Nice. Alright, just got fish number 2 out of here. Little shiner. Let's get him back in the water. Alright. GoPro says I've been fishing for 7 minutes, so 7 minutes, 2 catches. Just got my 3rd fish out of here, little bluegill. Let's get him back. Alright, so the bites died down at this first pool. I might revisit it on the way out, but I'm gonna keep walking down now. Let's keep going. Alright guys, so I'm way back here in this creek now. I'm still exploring, trying to see if I can catch any fish out of here. I don't know how much further this goes down, but let's keep going for a little bit longer. Oh wow, whew, big old boy. Man, just got a shiner out of here. I'm not sure if it's a shiner or a creek chub, but man, this thing's pretty chunky for this little creek. Just getting back in the water. There we go. I don't know if you guys saw that. I tried to position the camera where you would, but it's got this little green sunfish. Ooh! Ooh! Nice! Alright, just got my second largemouth of the day out of here. So came up and hit right as I was getting to the bank. Pretty fish, let him go. I think it's actually a spotted bass too. Well guys, I've had a fantastic outing. I still have a ways that I could possibly go down this, but I'll save it for another time. So I ended up trying to go for some bass using a Ned rig, but I didn't have any luck. I also used a creature bait, got a few bites, but I wasn't able to hook into one. So the next time I come here, I'll probably just continue exploring. It'll probably be a while, give this place a rest and try to find some new locations, but definitely am pleased with this place. Exploration played off well. Anyways, I hope you guys are having a fantastic week. Till the next time, tight lines, take care.
Ladies and gentlemen,